Brain Bites. Space. Space is a place beyond Earth's atmosphere, or a region within physical boundaries. The space your body takes up is called personal space. The area you move around in is called general space. We manage our space. We let people in our space. We keep people a social distance from our space. And we keep people out of our space. We use space as a strategy in sport. We move to open space to advance the ball or puck, or to receive a pass. We create space with a change of speed, direction, or level. As defenders, we try to close space. But the most important thing to remember about space is to show respect for others' space. How can you demonstrate respect for someone's space? What specific sports skills are used to create space? And what specific sports skills are used to close space? Thanks for joining me for Brain Bites, Physical Education's Food for Thought.